Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well at home. Before going to start the class, you need to sit along with your maths textbook, pencil, and eraser. So, students, let us start the next topic of second chapter, numbers up to 20 of grade first. So, comparing numbers, smaller and bigger numbers. Count and write the numbers. Take right mark the smaller number in each. So children, observe the pictures. First picture, in that there are 6 erasers, and in second picture there are 3 pencils. So in these two numbers, which is a small number? 3. Yes, 3 is small number. So we should put right mark for 3. So like this. Second one, observe the second picture. In that there are how many jugs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, there are 7 jugs. And how many glasses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, there are 8 glasses. So in between these two numbers 7 and 8, which is smaller number? Yes, 7 is smaller number. So tick we should tick mark the number 7. Then in third picture, observe the picture children. So there are 4 green fruits and there are 7 red fruits. So in between 4 and 7, which is smaller number? Yes, 4 is smaller number. So we should mark 4. So in last picture, how many ice creams are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there are 5 ice creams. And in this last picture, how many chocolates are there? Yes, there are 10 chocolates. So 5 and 10. In between these two numbers, which is smaller number, 5 or 10? Yes, 5 is smaller number. So we should mark 5. Tick right mark the smaller numbers and cross out the bigger numbers. So here children observe the screen. They gave two numbers. So in between these two numbers, which is biggest number and which is smallest number, we have to mark smaller number by tick mark and then bigger number by cross out that number. So see the first example, 10 and 9. In these two numbers, 9 is smaller number. So 9 is smallest number. That's why we have to tick mark this number and then we have to do cross out the larger number, that is bigger number, that is 10. Then in second one, 8 and 6. So in these two numbers 8 and 6, which is smaller number and which is bigger number? Yes, 6 is smaller number and 8 is bigger number. ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಔಟನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದೀಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 8 and 6. In these two numbers, 6 is smaller number, so we should write pass mark, and then 8 is biggest number, that's why we have to cross out this number. And then 13 and 17. So in these two numbers, 13 is smallest number, so 13 is smallest number, so we should write tick mark here. And then 17 is biggest number, so that's why we have to cross out this number. Like this you should do all these sums, remaining sums after this. circle the smallest numbers and take the biggest numbers. So here they gave 3 numbers, and in these 3 numbers we should circle the smallest number. We should circle the smallest number and put the tick mark to the biggest number. So children, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು 3 numbers ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಆ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಲಿಂದ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ see the first example, 472. In these 3 numbers, which is smallest number? Yes, 2 is smallest number. So we should circle this number. And then 7 is biggest number. So we should write tick mark here. Then in second question, 14, 12 and 17. So in these 3 numbers, which is smallest number? Yes, 12. 12 is smallest number. So we should circle this number. And then biggest number is 17. So we should write tick mark for 17. And then in third question, 11 and 6 and 5. In these 3 numbers, which is smallest number? 5. Yes, 5 is smallest number. So we should circle 5. And then biggest number is 11. So we should write tick mark for 11. So you like this, you should do all remaining 3 sums. Then next topic is greater than and less than. So what is greater than and less than? Rahul has 4 balls, Riya has 2 balls. So Rahul has 4 balls and Riya has 2 balls. So in these 2 numbers, 4 and 2, in these 2 numbers, which is biggest number? Yes, 4 is biggest number. So we have to say that 4 is bigger than 2. 4 is bigger than 2. We say 4 is greater than 2. So 4 is greater than 2. We write this as 4 and then greater than symbol and then 2. Greater than andre, see, Rahul has 4 balls, Riya has 2 balls. Rahul hatra 4 balls ಇದೆ, Riya hatra 2 balls ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಹತ್ರ 4 balls, ರಿಯಾ ಹತ್ರ 2 balls ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ? 4 ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರಾ, 2 ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರಾ? ಎಸ್, 4 ಈಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ 4 ಈಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 2. 4 ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 2 ಅಂದರೆ 4 2ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 4 greater than 2. That symbol, the given symbol is called greater than. ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಅನ್ನೋದು 2ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. Then less than. Geeta has 1 doll, Diya has 2 dolls. So here Geeta has only 1 doll and Diya has 2 dolls. So 1 is smaller than 2. 1 is smaller than 2. We say 1 is less than 2. We write 1 is less than 2 is as shown in the screen. 1 less than 2. That symbol is called less than. Less than ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಗೀತಾ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 1 doll ಅಂದರೆ ಗೀತಾ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಡಾಲ್ ಇದೆ, ದಿಯಾ ಹತ್ರ 2 dolls ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ 1 ದೊಡ್ಡದ, 1 ಚಿಕ್ಕದ, 2 ಚಿಕ್ಕದ? ಎಸ್, 1 ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 2. 1 2ಗಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? 1 ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 2. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಸ್ 1 ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 2. ಆ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ 2 ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ 4 ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 2, ಅದೆರಡು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್. ಅವನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋದು ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್. So greater than, that symbol is for greater than and this symbol is for less than. The greater number is always on the open side of the symbol, less or greater than. ಸೊ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸಿಂಬಾಲ್ ಬರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸಿಂಬಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮೌತ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಓಪನ್ ಮೌತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ತರ ಬರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಓಪನ್ ಮೌತ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಆ ಮೌತ್ ಕಡೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ 4 and 2, ಈ 4 and 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮೌತ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 1 and 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮೌತ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮೌತ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್. Count and write greater than or less than in the circle. So children, now observe the picture. In first picture here there are 2 figures, there are 2 diagrams, and here in second picture there are 6 diagrams. So in first picture there are 2 pots and in second picture there are 6 pots. So 2 and 6, in these 2 numbers which is biggest number here? 6. 6 is biggest number. That's why we have to mark this like using less than symbol. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ less than ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 6 ಅನ್ನೋದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 2 ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 6, ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು 6 ಗಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಓಪನ್ ಮೌತ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಈ ಸಿಂಬಾಲಿನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮೌತ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮೌತ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಿ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ there are 2 aeroplanes. There are 2 aeroplanes, and in this picture, another picture, there are 3 aeroplanes. So 2 and 3. Here which is biggest number? Yes, 3 is biggest number. So we should write again same symbol, less than. That means 2 is less than 3. Andre 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು 3 ಗಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. So like this you should solve all these sums using the number strip to compare numbers. The number nearer to 0 is the smaller number. The number further from 0 is the bigger number. So here the numbers which are ನಿಯರರ್ ಟು 0, 0ಗೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸು 0ಗಿಂತ ದೂರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ 5 and 14, ಹಿಯರ್ observe the screen. In this picture we have to consider 2 numbers, 5 and 14. So 5 is nearer to 0. Yes, 5 is nearer to 0, and then 14 is farther from 0. Yes, 5 ಅನ್ನೋದು 0 ಹತ್ರ ನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, 14 ಅನ್ನೋದು 0ಗಿಂತ ದೂರ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು 5 is smaller number and then 14 is bigger number. That's why 5 is less than 14. 5 is less than 14. So 14 is greater than 5. 14 ಅನ್ನೋದು 5 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅಂಡ್ 5 ಅನ್ನೋದು 14 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಣ್ಣದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ 14 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಿಗ್ ನಂಬರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದಟ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಓಪನ್ ಮೌತ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ compare numbers. So next main, using the number strip, fill in the circle with greater than or smaller than, less than. Okay, here they gave 20 and 10. So see the screen, see the number strip, 20 and 10. So 10 is nearer to the 0, and then here 20 is very further from 0 alva. So 20 is greater than 10. 20 is bigger number and 10 is smaller number. So 20 is greater than 10. So next second question, 4 and 6. So 4 is nearer to 0 and 6 is further from 0. So 4 is less than 6 because 4 is smaller number and 6 is bigger number. So 4 is less than 6. And then 10 and 12. So number strip, observe the number strip 10 and 12. 10, yes, 10 here and 12 here. Yes, here in these two numbers 10 is nearer to 0. ಆ 10 ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ 0ಗೆ ನಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 10 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 12 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 12 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, 10 ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 12. 10 ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 12. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಆ ಓಪನ್ಡ್ ಮೌತ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, then so like this you should solve all these sums. Next, equal to. When two numbers have the same value, we say they are equal. So equal is the sign for is equal to. So there are 3 mangoes. If you have 3 mangoes and your friend also have 3 mangoes, then 3 is equal to 3. ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರನೂ 3 ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸ್ ಇದೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹತ್ರನೂ 3 ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಹತ್ರ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರನೂ 3 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹತ್ರನೂ 3. ಸೊ 3 is same as 3. 3 is equal to 3. So like this. ಈಗ if in case if you have 4 mangoes and then if your friend also have 4 mangoes, then you both are having equal number of mangoes. 4 is equal to 4, like this. So next, make count and write equal to in a circle if the sets are same in number. So now see the first picture. There are 5 apples and then there are 3 apples. So there are in first picture 5 apples and in second picture there are 3 apples. They are equal. Are they equal, children? No, they are not equal. So in one picture there are 5 apples. In another picture there are 3 apples. So that's why they are not equal. So here we don't put equal to sign. Okay, and then in second picture there are 4 keys and also in another picture there are 4 keys. So 4 is equal to 4. There are 4. There also have 4. So we have to write here equal to sign. 4 is equal to 4. And next, fill in the circle with greater than, less than or equal to. So now observe the numbers and you should put these symbols. So here 10 and 20. So here in these two numbers, which is smallest number and which is biggest number? Yes, 10 is smallest number and 20 is biggest number. That's why we have to write here which symbol? Second symbol, that is less than symbol. 10 is less than that of 20. So 20 ಇರೋ ಹತ್ರ ಓಪನ್ ಮೌತ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, 10 ಇರೋ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಆ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್. 10 is less than 20. And then 5 and 15. 5 in between, in these two numbers, which is smallest number and which is biggest number? Yes, 5 is smallest number and 15 is biggest number. That's why we have to, here also we have to use less than symbol. 5 is less than 15. 15 ಇರೋ ಹತ್ರ ಓಪನ್ ಮೌತ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 5 ಇರೋ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ remaining problems you should solve these problems. And then ascending order, smallest to biggest. Okay, ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? When things or numbers are arranged from the smallest to the biggest, they are in increasing order or ascending order. So children, ascending order means cycle, baby cycle. Yes, after that your brother's cycle, big cycle, and then after that car, and then after that bus. So these are in the form of increasing order. So cycle is very small, and then after that big cycle, after that big car, after that big bus. So these orders are from smallest numbers, from smallest objects to the biggest object. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸನ್ನು ಯಾವುದನ್ನೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ವರೆಗೂ ಜೋಡಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಸೈಕಲ್, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸೈಕಲ್, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೈಕಲ್ಲು, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾರು, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಸ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಜೋಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಇದು ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್. ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ 13, 14, 12, 11. So they gave here 4 numbers, children. So we have to arrange these numbers as in ascending order. So ascending order means smallest to the biggest. Ascending order means smallest to the biggest. So here in these 4 numbers, which is smallest number? 11. So we should write 11 first. After that, after 11, which is smallest? 13, 14, 12. So in these 3 numbers, which is smallest? Yes, 12. After that, we have to write 12. Then remaining numbers 13 and 14. In these 2 numbers, which is smallest number? 13. So we should write 13. After that 14. So now 11, 12, 13, 14. So smallest to the biggest. Write the numbers in ascending order. 5, 8, 7, 2. So here they gave 4 numbers again. So we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So 5, 8, 7, 2. In these 4 numbers, which is smallest number? 2. Yes, 2 is smallest number. So we should write 2 first. After that, after 2, which is smallest number? 5. Yes, we should write 5 next. After that, which is smallest number? 7. Yes, 7 and 8. 7 after 8. Like this, you should do all the sums. So see the second question also. 14, 11, 13 and 18. There are 4 numbers. So in these numbers, which is smallest number? Yes, 11. 11 is smallest number. So we should write 11 first. And then after that, which is smallest number? 13. Yes, 13 is smallest number. So we should write 13. After that 14. Yes, after that 18. Yes, like this we should arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to the biggest. Ascending order ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಈ ಥರ ಬರೆದು ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ descending order or biggest to smallest. When things or numbers are arranged from the biggest to the smallest, they are in decreasing order or descending order. So here descending order means opposite of that ascending order. Ascending order ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? smallest to biggest. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ descending order ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ biggest to smallest. So here So first we have, in descending order, first we have to consider bus. Bus is very big. After that car. After that cycle. After that small cycle. So like this, biggest to smallest. Descending order ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನ, ಥಿಂಗ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ ಗೇವ್ 4 numbers 15, 14, 16 and 17. So in these we have to write here descending order of these numbers. So here in these numbers, which is biggest number? 15, 14, 16, 17. Yes, here 17 is biggest number. So we should write first 17. Okay, after that, which is biggest number? 16. Yes, 16 is biggest after 17. After that 15. Yes, after that 14. So 14 is smallest number in these given numbers. Okay, 17, 16, 15, 14. So biggest to smallest. This is descending order. So write the numbers in descending order. So here they gave one example, 6, 8, 7, 9. In these 4 numbers, which is biggest number? 9. After that 8. After that 7. After that 6. So this is descending order. So in second question, 15, 12, 14 and 10. So which is biggest number here? Yes, 15. 15 is biggest number. So we should write first 15. After that 14. After that 12. After that 10. So in this way you should write all these numbers in descending orders. So children, hope you all enjoyed the class. We will meet again in the next video with the next topic. Okay, thank you.